is Sanskruti, and today's our topic is really interesting topic because today we are making a video on kindness, and so many people likes to show their kindness, and so many people shows their kindness, and it is good to show your kindness. So in little amount we also show our kindness anytime, but today's our topic is really interesting. Because why I say that, because today we are discussing about that the you know that the kindness is very easy. This is our today's topic, as and today we are looking in this video to how the kindness is very easy, and how we show our kindness from which our activity, or uh, which our which our thoughts, and that all things. So without wasting any more time, because introduction is more, I give you introduction more in this video. So without wasting any time, because time is too much important and initial in our life, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So we all of us knows that the we all of us knows that the kindness is very easy, and we want to show it, but every time we doesn't get the chance to show the kindness. If so first, today I am going to tell you the uh, five tips, or five things from that you will show your kindness. So first is that feed to the hungry. So what is feed to the hungry? If someone is hungry, if someone is poor, so feed them. If you have much more food, feed them something else. The second thing is that if beggar is asking you for giving money, if beggar is asking you for give money to him or her, so give it. If you don't want to give more money, give only 1 rupees. He or she became happy that the beggar is asking for for you give money. And uh, he said he asked for money, so give them, because they are really helpful for us. And give, if you don't want to give some more money, you also give 1 rupees to them, or 2 rupees, 10 rupees. So they also not need to they also not need more money. So next thing is that uh, third one is that if there is someone wants to drink water and you have it, so give them water. First thing is that uh, don't if someone is hungry, give them food. And second is that if someone is thirsty, give them water, because food and water is very important for our life. And the next thing is that uh, donate your blood, or if you donate your blood, it is also to show the kindness. And if someone if the accident is happen here, and you take the patient to the hospital, it is also kindness. So now, before starting video, I forgot to tell you that thing. I am also telling you one story. So without wasting any time, let's get started to this story. Sorry. So this is a story of uh, five five friends. In that five friends, the four are the rich friends, and one is the beggar. So in that four rich friend, one friend has the beggar friend, because he likes to show the kindness, and he likes to help to the poor people. And that three was the greedy friends, and they were not a true friend. And one day, that three friends said to that one friend that has the beggar friend, that three friends said to that one friend that uh, why you are keep your friendship with that beggar friend. He is so poor and you are so rich. So he said that he is not poor, you are poor, because he has the kindness and he is not greedy like you. So he said, what are you saying? That three friends, what are you saying that we are not greedy? So after next day, that one friend asked to that three friends, he shows the photo of himself, and tell to them to kill this photo, uh, who is in this photo, kill that person. So that three people said, give us money, we do it. Even they know he is their friend. So I first also said they are not true friends. And when he went to the beggar friend, so he shows the photo, and he said, he said that, kill him, I will give you more money and you became a rich. So he said that, I am not poor, I am a very rich to I am very rich to getting this friend, and who are you? And he just beat him. Even he doesn't know that he is his friend. And after that, all the happens, he removed the napkin, or he removes the handkerchief, or applied on his face, and he said that, why you do the prank on me? So he said that, I want to show you, I want to show to my three friends that you are not greedy, and they threes are greedy, and they tell me that, give us money and then we kill him, and you say that, don't give us money, I don't kill him, and you beat me. And this is our story is also kindness, and story is also the friendship. So kindness is very easy, guys, show your kindness. And this is our today's video. I hope you like, and thank you, guys.